Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing the BoxyCharm unboxing videos for December. Let's set that one there. I'm also pre-filming this video before I pick the winner of the giveaway. So when this goes up, I would have already messaged that person. So keep a lookout for messages and stuff. And we're just going to jump right into this video because if not, it's going to be about 1,000,000 years long. So if you guys like these kind of videos, subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell, and leave some comments down below. And let's jump right in. I'll start with the base box first. I have actually used some of the products. I've been sitting with these boxes for a week, and I peeked inside to see what was in there. And there has been two things I've been using daily because I wanted to get a good feel of how well they worked. And normally I would not peek in these boxes until I film, but I worked all week. I didn't have time to film, so I looked in there and found two skincare items I wanted to try. But anyways, this base box is super full. And it is BoxyCharm Bubble and Glitz this month. And the first thing I see is this Elemis Superfood Glowing Priming Moisturizer. It's a Kombucha Glow Moisturizer. It retails for I lost it. $49. It has prebiotics in it. It's supposed to leave the skin hydrated while blurring the look of imperfections. And it can be used as a primer, under makeup, or applied as a highlighter to enhance the skin's radiance. So I'm going to remove my glasses. Anyways, we're going to put some of this on my face. And I have been using this for a couple of days and I really like it. A little goes a long way. It's just not super, and it smells really nice. But it's not like a intense, like, I can't see nothing. It's not like an intense glow, but it does leave your skin a little glowier. And I love it. And I'm sure it works better over time. I don't really know. Anyways, so the next thing that I see in here, because it's huge and taking up like half the box, is this. This is the original makeup eraser sponge. It's a first ever machine washable sponge. That's actually pretty cool. Looks like these go together. This is the Glamnetic Babygirl Lash and Black Liquid Magnetic Liner. I've never used anything like this, but it retails for $63, so that's really expensive for some liquid liner and eyelashes, but I can't wait to try it. Alright, and next is a MAC Cosmetics Lustre lipstick. Retails for $19, and it looks like a really pretty shade. It's in the shade Plumful. That's before, so I can't wait to give that a try. And next is the Artist Couture. This is the Caliente palette. It retails for $30, and I was actually really excited to see this because I've been wanting this palette for a while. It looks like this. Super bright and colorful. Again, another hit. This box is full of hits this week. This month. And that was everything in the base box. Now we're going to move to this one. This is the premium. And the first thing I see is this little thing right here. Let me find it here. This is the Lifestyle Company 100% natural cuticle oil. Retails for $22. And it's made with pure almond oil and jojoba oil to soften and nourish the cuticles. It also has lavender oil to help strengthen nails and cuticles and keep them both moisturized. I can't wait to start using this because I've been trying to take better care of my nails. I mean, it's not going well, but I mean, gotta start somewhere. Alright, so this I've actually been using this every night. This is the Elemis Pro-Collagen Eye Revive Mask. It retails for $82, and that is expensive. And let me tell you, under my eyes have actually looked a lot better this week because I've been using it. It's an innovative cloud-like gel formula. A serum-infused eye mask is clinically proven to reduce the appearance of wrinkles while helping reduce the look of puffiness and dark circles around the eyes. And I can say that my eyes have not been as puffy underneath, and the dark circles have lightened enough to where I don't have to really load on the concealer for work. So the next thing in here, I took this out of the box already to look at it. This is the True Plus Luscious Lucky Glow Palette. Retails for $46. And it's just an all-in-one face palette. I love these. I swatched a couple of them and they are stunning, and I really like which one? This bronzer shade is calling my name because I'm super pale right now. And yeah. Next is the VISEART Natural Mattes 12 Pan Eyeshadow Palette. This retails for $80. And let me tell you, I don't feel like this should be $80. That packaging looks just cheap. I could be wrong. I mean, I'm sure the formula is there and beautiful, but that's plastic. It reminds me of something I would get from Walmart. Alright, so next, I'm actually glad I got this because I don't have any clean eye brushes. This is the Crown All Eyes on You 5-piece Luxe brush set. Retails for $34.95. And yeah, let's see. Let's open it up. Alright, it looks like this. I actually like Crown, like the brand. They have really good eyeshadows and stuff, so I can't wait to use these. Oh yeah, it's really soft. I'm just going to go ahead and pop all these out of the packaging. And last but not least is this. This is the Elizabeth Mott It's So Big Volumizing Mascara. Retails for $20, and it's supposed to make coat each lash, making it water, tear, and sweat resistance to hold lashes in place all day. I don't know if it will, but we'll see. Alright, so as you can see, I already primed my face with that moisturizer, and I'm going to hop off camera. And actually, you know what? No, I'm not, because I got to use a sponge. Alright, you guys, I really like that sponge. It done a really good job. It really gets in the corners. Alright, so next we're going to go in with this expensive thing, and we're going to test out these brushes. Just trying to figure out which brush I want to use. I'm going to start with this one. And we're going to start with the shade right here. I'm not gonna lie, I actually really do like this palette. It blends like a dream, and I love how you have cool and warm tone neutral shades in there. But I feel like for 80 bucks, it should have better packaging and at least a mirror. Now this is a lot cheaper, but the pigment's there, and it also blends really good, and it comes with a little mirror, so I like both palettes equal. What I am going to do now is try this eyeliner and magnetic lash. I don't have nothing to cut the lashes though, so I don't know if I should use them. I actually need to trim them a little bit. They are a little too big for my eyes, but like I said, I don't know what happened to mine. But these are actually very easy to apply. Like, I can see the hype on these. That was actually very quick to apply. But I'm going to apply a little of this real quick. It's stabbing me right in the inner corner of my eyes because they are too big for my eyes right now. Right, and I think I might add a little of this right here in my inner corner. It's orangey, but say orangey pink, I should say. It is pretty. It'll work. Sort of. It works, I guess. Alright, so next we're going to use this Truly palette here. I'm going to go in with this bronzer shade. It's been calling my name since I saw it. I want to use a little of this one too. Okay, that's pretty cute. So next, just trying to find a clean brush. Okay. Well, actually, it's a pretty lipstick. In the tube, it doesn't look that pretty. Let's kick the camera twice. I did it twice. On the lips, though, that's actually very pretty. I'm actually... Alright, you guys, so that's the finished look using the... No issues with it. Like, every product in there is pretty good. I've used some of these products all week, and I love them. Like, the Elemis eye mask is amazing. And the base box is $25. The premium box is $35. So we'll start with the base box. Right. 30. Alright, so the base box Alright, so the base box, again, only paid $25 for it, and everything in the box is worth $169, which is really good. It's a great deal, especially if you're like me, you love makeup, skincare, and you love trying new things. Now, this one, automatically, that VISEART palette paid for it plus more. But this I paid $35 for, and everything in it adds up to $284.95. So you get really good deals when you get BoxyCharm, obviously. But yeah, I have no complaints. I love BoxyCharm. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I suck at my endings, I know. I'm sorry, you guys. Anyways, I hope you guys have a great Christmas, and keep watching your messages, so... because I will be messaging the person that won the giveaway. And yeah, see you guys.